as you can see, I am Jesse now. Whoa, how did that happen? Wait a second. Let me put on my armors, and I'm armed Jesse. So, as you can see, it's another series. Oh, Food Panda, I hate you. It's another series. It's another gaming series. So, as you can see, today we are going to play Minecraft Duplicate Mobil. So, it's my house, and I have to show you something. Let me show you around my house. So, there are some rose plants here, and it's my entrance. It's my entrance. It's my entrance. I made my roof with glass. Okay, I made my roof with glass because I'm going to add another floor up there, and I am making my home to a desert. And oh damn, because deserts are really better place to find mobs, because I have so much problem with those mobs here. See, this is my mine. So much going on there. There's so many, creepers around there. They're so scary. They freaks me out all the time. So this is my house with some rose plants. And if I go in, I can see two cows. Two cows with a baby cow and a naked sheep. He's naked. Yes, he's naked. Look at this. I don't know he's a female or a male. I mean, if he's a female, that's a little problem though. Okay, so this is my roof. It's my toilet, but it's my bathtub. So let me just break this sign. It's not toilet, okay? Nobody poops in this. Oh, advertisements! They're so loud. Let me off my sound. And let me, oh, wait, broke this. Okay, there's my bathtub. I can stay here and enjoy the view of my little naked sheep. Okay, so let's avoid those. And here I have a sweet, delicious red farm. Oh my god, it's like red farm. And I have a sugarcane farm too. Let me just cut these and get some sugarcanes from that. Sugarcane, look out. Sugarcane. And I have my pet Dave the tree. It's my only sapling you can say I've got. So that's all my house. Today I want to make, oh there you go, wait, make my bed. Oh, where is those two? Okay. Where's my seeds? I need my seeds. They fell off. They fell off. No, they didn't fall off. And they I think they fell off. Wait a second, let me just finish it. I will be back. Okay, so the problem is actually solved. I had a seed issue with my farm, but it's solved now. So the thing I will do now is go ahead and cut some trees. I'll find some trees and cut it. I don't have any wood, so okay. I don't have any wood, so I will go and cut it. I will be right back after getting some trees. Okay, so I get some wood of that tree, and now that tree is floating midair. That's really a miracle. Okay, I will just get that short tree from it. Oh, I loosened it. Okay, tree. I think I have more trees cut down there, so I could have more seedlings. What is it called? Seedlings or what? Goes seedlings. Okay, seedlings. We'll call it seedlings from now. Does that make sense? Okay, where is the... Hey sheep, you want wood? Come with me. I'll give you so much wood. Let me give you some wood. Come with me, I will give you more. You're coming? Come, sheep, come, sheep. Sheep, come, sheep. Oh my god, I just fall into a fucking hole. Oh, there's more. Okay, there was five big creepers down there. It was so hard to get rid of them. Okay, but as you can see, I am... Come on. Okay, I'm in, and that sheep is coming in. Come in. Okay, and you're trapped. Well, trapped Fania. Oh, no ads. Feed. Where's the option? Feed. And you're done. And I have shears to shear you down. And you're naked too. Well, naked mania. Oh. Why you are staring like that? I'll get some milk from you. Your milk. I want some milk. Give me some milk. Hey, you give me some milk. Give me some milk. Oh, this. Want some milk? Milk. I some milk. Really tasty. Oh, okay. So. Sorry. Okay. So I'll craft a gate. Where's the gate? Okay, gate is done. This side. I'll put the gate. Where's the gate? Gate right over here. What the hell? No way. Gate. Come on, gate. Oh, we have food panda. The gate is done. And the door is not closing. Okay, the gate is done maybe. So I will go ahead and make myself some carpets. Okay. No, don't come in. Don't come out. Oh, yes. Carpet. No, not for you, sand. Make myself carpets for jumping on them. I mean, okay, I didn't need a gate then. I'll fence it off. Not now. There we go. The fence will be there. Then the red, I don't have it, but I will have soon. And let me just plant some. Oh, don't correct me. Another seed for you. Seedling, whatever. They have some soil maybe, some dirt. We don't have dirt, but okay, I'll put it right next to your brother. He will grow like hell. Okay. So please grow some wood for me. I need it soon. And I will get some sugar canes and stuff. Okay, I will be right back when they're ready for giving me some wood. Bye. I will be back. Okay, now I have myself a wood. So I saw some cows. I saw 2 cows there. There are 2 cows and a sheep. So I can take them all, I guess. Hey, I got cookies for you. Come on, take some cookies. Hey, come on, come on. Hey, go. Where's that another cow? Cow? Oh, there's down there. Okay, so let's get another sheep over here. Is another sheep. Sheep. Cow. Come on. I have to run slowly because they're not that bad. Hey cow, more. Humba. Cow. Are you blind, cow? Blind cow. Another cow is gone now. Right. The night is falling. Come on, guys. Okay, I will talk to you again when I have them in my house. Bye. There we go, guys. The farm is finally... Oh, fucking had bad eyes. The farm is finally ready. Oh my god, it's take a while. And my farm is filled up with goodies. So, for that being said... Oh, 3% view. Yes. So, with that being said, that will be the end of this video. So if you like it, be sure to like, share and subscribe our channel. And if you want more Minecraft, it's mobile craft, it will called Mobil craft. Comment down below. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Like a Hellcat.